Senate Majority Leader Juan Miguel Zubiri tested positive for the coronavirus disease 2019. It was Health Secretary Francisco Duco III who informed the senator of the result of his COVID-19 test. Zubiri was among the senators who decided to undergo self-quarantine after a resource person at the Senate hearing tested positive for the virus. Zubiri will remain in isolation for 10 more days until he tests negative for COVID-19.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.